Good morning, students. Welcome back. After how many days we are meeting? We are meeting around after 4 days, correct? And you might have forgotten everything what we have studied in English grammar and what we have studied in English Balbharti book. In last week, we were studying about grammar, correct or not? We studied about alphabetical orders. We studied about letters. We studied about a and where to use a, where to use an, articles. Then we studied about naming words, nouns, what are nouns, right? After that, we studied, I think so, about proper noun, common noun. No, in first standard we did not study that, but only nouns we studied. What are nouns? Nouns means naming words. And then now today we are going to start with English Balbharti chapters. The seventh chapter which we are going to study is letters on a tab and computer keyboard. Okay, before that we have studied which all lessons. I will just revise it one by one. Okay, so that you'll understand what we have studied and what we are going to study. Correct? The first poem which we studied was What a Happy Song. Correct? Clap, clap, clap your hands together. That was our first poem which we studied in unit 1. The second poem which we studied was of nature. Correct? Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. Nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. After that, third poem which we studied was which one? Action time. We all did this action, you know it, you remember it very well. Stand up, sit down, raise your hands, hands down, hands up. Correct? After that, we made some another aria says stand up, sit down, turn left, turn right, stand on the left foot, stand on the right foot. After that, we studied is know each other, how you should do conversation with your partners. Hello, what is your name? Then hello, my name is Soham. What is your name? I am Rima. How old are you? Then he says that I am 6 years old. Correct? There is conversation between two students. That was our lesson number 4. Lesson number 5 was let's learn letters, small letters and capital letters. That was our which lesson? 6th one, 5th one. Then after that we studied about make words. Correct? We had taken 3 letters and with the help of 3 letters what we did? We made words. Correct? And after that, today we are going to study lesson number 7. Today we are going to study lesson number 7, letters on a tab and computer keyboard. Now if tab means what? There is a tablet, correct or not? There are Apple iPhones or then tablets on which you see some letters. And that only letters we are going to find out, read and use. Now it is not possible you are sitting at your house, but if you have computer at home or if you have laptops at home, if you have tab at home, you should able to recognize what letters are there on them. Okay. Now your tablet is there. There is a tab. I will just draw a small picture of tab. Tabs are mostly in rectangular color, rectangular shape, not color. And then on that, keys are there. What are there? Keys. First key is of Q, then W, E, R, T, Y, U, I. Correct? Like this, what are there? Letters are there. What are there? Letters are there on the tab. And they have told that on tablet, how many letters are there? I'll just show you. Tab has how many letters? See properly, 1 minute. It should be visible to you. Here it is Q. First one is which letter? Q. Second one is W. After W is E. After E is R. Are you getting or not? R. After R is T. It is not visible. Let it be on board. You can see. For example, it is tab. This is a tab, and on tab I am writing letters. Okay. After I, which letter is there here? O is there and P. Okay. Now first letter on the tab is Q. Total how many letters are there? There are total 26 letters in English alphabet. And out of this 26 letters, which letters are there on the tab? Q is there, W, E letter is there, R letter is there, T letter is there. After that, Y letter is there, U, I, O, P. Okay. And then below that again one more line is there, that is of A letter, S letter. After that is D, F, G. After G is H, J, K, L. Okay. After that again, what is there? There is another line of letters. Which are those? I'll show you. Because in book it is not visible. You are not able to see properly in the book which I am showing you in video. Z, X, C, V, B, N and M. These are some letters which are there on tablet. Correct? You have on a tab mobile. Some students, they have tab mobile at home. And then here space bar is there. If you want to give space, if you want to type letters or if you want to make some words, which bar is given here? Space bar is given. Then there is one small column over here. There it is written numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? There is a upside arrow. Correct? In this way here there is one more key here. It is go. And this place is what? This place is screen. Whatever you will type, whichever button or whichever key you will press over here, that letter will come on the screen upside. That letter will come where? That letter will come on the screen. Now just keep in mind that on tab, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All 26 letters are there on tab. Do you know how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters. From 26 letters, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. Now which are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. That are what? That are consonants. And which are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels are there. Then 21 plus 5 total is what? 26. And that all 26 letters are there on tab. But if you want to increase, now you will see, if you want to type, for example, if you want to type cat, C-A-T, cat, then you will have to find out where C, then you will press this button, C, A, P, what? Cat. Then which word will come here? C-A-T, cat. Understood? If I want to take some another word, goat, okay, then G, O, A, T, automatically which letter will come over here? G, O, A, T, goat. This is what screen. In this way, all 26 letters are there on tab. And if you want to type any words or if you want to type something, what you have to do? You have to press those buttons, and by pressing those buttons, automatically what will happen? Words will be typed over here. Understood? Now what you have to do today is your homework is what? You have to take your mobile, or then you have to take your laptop or your computer if you have at home. On that computer, with the help of keyboard. Now computer is having keyboard, mobile is having what? Mobile is having letters. Correct? On keypad it comes, or then you can say screen guard it comes. You have to type some words. Which words you will type? So if there are some words in our book, if I will tell you to type, I want to tell you some sentence. Okay? The the rainbow has 7 colors. Now this sentence you have to type in your mobile or in your computer. What is your today's homework? You have to type this sentence. The rainbow has 7 colors. Okay. And if you want to type more, then you can type it has 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, orange, red. You can write down names also. Okay. Vibgyor. VIBGYOR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Vibgyor. Vibgyor means what? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Understood? In this way, what you have to do, you have to type this sentence in the mobile. Just check. You can find out of what letters. If you are able to find out letters, then it is very good and nice. So that automatically you will think that yes, I know all letters, and you should know which letter is there on the mobile screen. Understood? And that you have to learn. Today, that much is only your homework. Okay. Remaining part we will study in tomorrow's video. Thank you.